Welcome to the HFT Stocks and Options Commentary. I'm Pablo Navarro. Today is Tuesday, July 9, 2013. For the volatility index, the dollar-weighted put-call ratio on the VIX, we have a bullish reading on July with 25% of the total premiums paid, neutral reading on August with 43% of the total premiums paid, and a bearish reading on September with 21% of the total premiums paid. If we go to the charts, here we have the daily chart for SPX. We were up today almost 12 handles. We broke this 1650 level we talked about. It was this previous high here. The high was 1652. So basically a couple of points below that, but the high intraday was higher. So that's important there. Looks like we're going higher. I'm still skeptical of this rally here, as you know, on the last couple of days. I think we're still coming to test. We need to test the 1600 one more time, and then we could continue the rally. I do think the summer is gonna be a little bit weak, and earnings are not gonna be that great. That's the reason I'm not as bullish here. If you look at the Qs, we were at 73. Again, important levels, almost testing the 50-day on the downside, but bouncing there. We are not seeing a lot of volume on this couple of days, and I'm neutral here on the Qs. For IWM, I am bearish. It has seen quite divergent from the SPX and the Qs. You could see here we're on all-time highs, while S&Ps and the Qs are not even there. So that's important there to see. If we go to the GLD chart, here we have the daily chart for GLD, and you could see here that we're consolidating up 1% for the day. I'm pretty neutral here so far. And as you know, if we go to the 125 level, I'll be loving to short that level, looking for the 15 and even lower, 115 and even lower from there. But so far neutral. SLV, pretty much the same chart here for SLV. Very neutral here. If we get to 2021, I'll be willing to short this one, but not so far. Not yet here. Sorry, I believe we're going lower before we get a bottom, but not taking a long or a short position here yet. Going to the stocks. Here we have the daily chart for Apple, up 1.75. Very interesting reversal here we got from the lows, and we do have a interesting volume here, so that's important. We'll have to see if we're able to rally tomorrow and get some confirmation that we're actually trying to go for that 50-day moving average once again, above the 419 level, which is important, and we'll see what happens from here. I just want to see that break of this 50-day moving average and continue to that 450 level. Google, basically this, the opposite of what happened to Apple. It hit the high in the morning, 912, and then it just went lower, finishing basically flat for the day and on normal volume. Our target was 900, and from here, neutral to bullish. If I'm in the trade, I would just put my stop a little bit higher, around 897, to keep on riding the trade higher, and if not, capture some profit. I would not get long here or short. Netflix, very positive trade for very positive day for Netflix, up 6% for the day. Closing at the highs of the day, very nice volume, and going for this 248. I believe we're going to take that previous high. I would get long on a new high with volume, so keep an eye on it tomorrow. If we get that new high, I would get long and put my stop around 245, 240. Remember, this is a pretty volatile stock, so you could not put a very tight stop on it.